Hi y'all! So we are doing a 12 Days of Christmas special leading up to Christmas. We are on the first day. And we are doing Divinity. This is a recipe special to me because it was one my grandma always made. For this we have sugar, eggs, vanilla, and a little bit of corn syrup. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with 2 cups and 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Then we're going to take half a cup of water. Then we're going to take 2/3 of a cup of our corn syrup. Now on a medium heat, we're going to stir this until it's all dissolved. Once it's all dissolved, we're going to go ahead, put our candy thermometer on. Once we have our candy thermometer in, we're going to let this sit on a medium heat until it comes up to 260. While we're doing that, we're going to start preparing our eggs. So we need 2 egg whites. So we're going to separate them into one bowl. Just in case we break an egg yolk, we don't waste all of our egg white. Now we're going to move over to our mixer. You can also mix this by hand. It's just easier. I have a stand mixer, so we're going to use that. But before we get to mixing our eggs, just on my countertop, I'm going to lay down some parchment paper. Alright, so in our mixer, we're going to mix this on a high speed until our eggs get real foamy and form stiff peaks. So once our egg mixture comes up to a stiff peak and our sugar has come up to temp, so we're going to start taking our sugar mixture and slowly adding it in. Once we have our candy mixture added in, we're going to take a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so now we're going to mix this until it holds its shape and it'll start to dull color as well. Once it starts to dull out and hold its shape, now if you want to add nuts, this would be the time to do it. Go ahead and just fold them in. But that is not how my grandma did it, so I do not do it as well. We're going to go back over to where we laid out the parchment paper earlier. I have 2 spoons, it's the easiest way to do this. Now we're just going to continue doing this until we got it all done. Now if you don't work fast enough, it'll start setting up and getting crumbly. But now we're going to let these sit until they're completely cooled off and set. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so our Divinity has had time to fully set. We just went ahead, put it on a tray to serve it up. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video where YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.